What really happens inside your body when you drink warm water? Let's go inside. As warm water enters your mouth and moves down the esophagus, it gently relaxes muscles and prepares your digestive system. When it reaches your stomach, the warmth spreads across the stomach lining, helping digestion begin more smoothly and comfortably. As warm water moves into the intestines, it supports better movement of food and helps nutrients pass more easily through the intestinal walls. Inside your bloodstream, gentle warmth improves circulation, allowing blood cells to travel more freely and deliver oxygen and nutrients throughout your body. Your liver responds by working more efficiently, supporting natural detox processes, while your kidneys benefit from improved hydration, filtering waste more smoothly. Muscles and joints begin to relax as warmth helps ease stiffness and supports flexibility. Inside your gut, beneficial bacteria thrive in a balanced environment, supporting digestive health. Your metabolism gently activates, helping your body process energy more efficiently. Even your brain responds, receiving calming signals that reduce tension and promote mental clarity.